Welcome to the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles, where history is alive and dinosaurs are just a little bit less scary than your in-laws. Located in Exposition Park, this museum is home to over 35 million specimens, which is more than the number of times I've tried to cook a gourmet meal. Here, you can meet the T-Rex, who is not just a fossil, but also a great conversation starter at parties, if only he had arms to hold a drink. And don't miss the Dinosaur Hall, where you can learn that some dinosaurs were actually feathered. So yes, they were the original fashionistas. The museum also features a stunning gem and mineral hall, where you can see rocks that are shinier than your ex's new partner. Feeling adventurous? Check out the Insect Zoo, where you can meet bugs that are more interesting than your average family reunion. And if you think history is boring, just wait until you see the ancient fossils that are older than your great-great-grandparents. Talk about family history. So, whether you're a history buff or just looking for a fun day out, the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles is the place to be. Just remember to bring your sense of humor. Now, the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, or LACMA, where art meets the absurd. Located at 5905 Wilshire BLVD, LACMA is the largest art museum in the West, and it's got more art than you can shake a paintbrush at. With over 150,000 works of art, you might think you'd need a GPS just to find your favorite piece, but don't worry, we've got a plan. From ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces, LACMA has it all, including a giant rubber ducky. Just kidding, but wouldn't that be fun? One of the museum's most iconic installations is the Urban Light, featuring 202 restored street lamps, perfect for your Instagram selfies. And let's not forget the art of the snack. The museum cafe serves food that's almost as beautiful as the art. Almost. LACMA also hosts fun events like Jazz at LACMA, where you can enjoy live music while pretending to understand modern art. So whether you're an art aficionado or just looking for a place to take a funny selfie, LACMA is the place to be. Now let's dive into the similarities and differences between these two incredible museums. Both museums are located in Los Angeles, but one is all about nature while the other is a haven for art lovers. The Natural History Museum showcases fossils, minerals, and the wonders of the natural world, while LACMA displays contemporary and classic art. Both museums have educational programs, but at the Natural History Museum, you might learn about T-Rexes, while at LACMA, you might ponder the meaning of life through abstract art. The Natural History Museum is like a time machine to the past, while LACMA is a portal to the imagination of artists. Both museums have stunning architecture, but one looks like a grand castle of knowledge, while the other resembles a modern art piece itself. Visitors to the Natural History Museum might leave with a newfound respect for the planet, while those at LACMA might leave questioning their life choices. So whether you're a dino lover or an art aficionado, both museums offer a unique experience that's worth exploring.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.